In this video, I'm going to show you how to add contacts on iPhone for beginners. So ensure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification for lots of educational guides and contents like this. So if you just bought your iPhone recently and you love to add contacts on your iPhone but you don't know what you're going to do, just at first you can get the person's number, right? Just click on this phone icon, head over to your keypad. You can type in the person's number if you have the person's number with you, right? Or you can just come on here on this contact option, click on this contact, right? Once you reach the contact, click on this plus icon at the top, enter the person's name. I can just type in, let me say I can type in J, right? The person's last name I can type in a.2, right? Add the person's phone number if he has any phone number. You can just add the person's email if he has any email. I can just type in j.eduto@gmail.com, right? Add the person's pronouns if he has any. Once you are done, you can add the person's address and all this. Just click on this done, right? So this is it basically. This is how you can add phone number, how you can add contacts and phone number on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you on the very next video.